Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on tools, parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW X3, X4, that generation that you see right here from year 2010 to year 2018. If you have a problem where the heater doesn't work, you want to see which fuses and relays control the heater, where you can find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Why guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure you stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, bodywork, a little bit of everything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we're going to put links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out, that way do not waste your money guys. Also, we will have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out guys. We'll have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs as well. So let's start on it now. So guys, this BMW has many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know that they even exist. You have up to 5 or 6 different fuse boxes, and for many of you, okay, some of those are special fuse boxes, kind of like this one here. If you don't know about them guys, we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW X3, X4. Check it out, it can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So guys, where you can expect to find the fuses and the relays for the heater, we'll demonstrate on that BMW guys here, X3, X4, they're built on the same platform, so it should work for both. Now guys, here specifically we'll be working 2 different fuse boxes. The first one that we need is on the passenger side. Open the passenger door, open the glove box, empty the content of the glove box. In the very back on the right side you have that cover here, press that tab, pull that cover out. Behind it you're going to find the fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad, and let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys, you practically wasted your money. So all you have to do check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay, and we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. So guys, multiple fuses will need to be checked here, then we need to go to a different fuse box, check some more, and there are some hidden things as well that we need to do. And if we zoom in a little bit, okay, that will be the top of the fuse box, that's the bottom, starting in this side here. Fuse number 1, 2, 3. Fuse number 3 will need to be checked right here. Check that one. After that you need to check fuse number 8. That's a very important fuse for multiple functions, but check that fuse there as well. Next you need to check fuse number 11, which is that 7.5 amp fuse. So if we zoom in a little bit, that's 8, that's 11 here. Next guys, we need to locate fuse number 31. So that's 35, 4, 3, 2, 31. Right there, that fuse will need to be checked in addition. Next, 2 more. One of them is fuse number 48 now. Okay, let me show you now. So if we come in this row here, fuse number 48 will be that last fuse here. You need to check fuse number 44, which will be this one here, and you need to check fuse number 50. fuse number 50, we're talking about this 20 amp fuse right there. Now guys, in the trunk here, open the trunk. On the right side we have that cover, remove it, leave that insulation. Behind it you have another fuse box that looks like this one. Here specifically guys, okay, let's zoom in a little bit so you can clearly see. We need to check one more fuse guys, okay, and we're talking about fuse 121. We're talking about this fuse here. Now about relays, there are very limited relays like this one here. You can check a few hidden ones underneath, and in the front fuse box where we work now, we have, that's practically windshield washer relay. That's another relay, but check it as well guys. But what you need to do behind the glove box, we have a video how to remove your glove box, but behind the glove box you have a few hidden relays as well. You will need to check them too, because most of the times that will be where the heater and the blower motor relay will be located. On some models that do not have those, the function is controlled by the body control module. In that case you need to check only the fuses which are known as relay fuses guys, in that case. So guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays for your BMW at a good price, quick shipping guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, because you have very specific fuses, especially these little fuse boxes guys. Those could be really hard to find. You can see like the one right here as well guys, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping as well. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.